Hey friends, it's Meka from Yes Please Planning. Today I'm just going to do a super quick unboxing of my January 2018 Planner Society kit. It's so gorgeous. The kit comes in this gorgeous paper that of course I am going to keep and use in my crafting. These are the papers that it comes with. So it comes with vellum. Look at this gorgeous plus sign foil printed on here along with the flowers. Ugh, so yummy. So there's vellum as well as acetate, so you can use this as an overlay. You can cut it into pockets. And then these are the double-sided papers. This is the one side, and then it's gorgeous floral with the black and white accents. Love it. So many goodies. Here's a pouch to hold all of the extra goodies in here, your pens, your washi. It's this very sort of dusty, faded color that matches the other papers and the rest of the kit. Now, this is the washi that comes with the main kit. Look at that foiling on there. And if you ordered the Washi Society kit on top of that, you get these lovelies. This one is foiled with polka dots. And you've got another floral and then a patterned one to get your layering on. Sticky note pad. This sophisticated bow charm to go on your traveler's notebook or in your rings. Die cuts for days. Some inspiration cards that are also foiled. Next, there's this super cute embroidered patch. So you can, I am surely just going to attach it with some washi tape, but you could sew it on something. You could attach it to your TN or your planner cover. There's so many things that you can do with this. So pretty. This month we have some elastics that match the kit that we can use to make some DIY pen loops. This is a super easy project. All you need is scissors and hot glue. Matching tabs for dividers. Really excited to try these stamps out. This pen right here. The main kit comes with these sticker sheets to add some decor to your pages. I love these the most, super functional and pretty at the same time. So glad she has all these extra flowers in here. Those are the ones that I run out of the fastest. And if you have subscribed to the Sticker Society kit, you get these as an add-on for some extra functional planning. And then on top of that, the Box Sticker Society kit you get these as your add-on. So these are good for Erin Condren's Happy Planner, anything that has those column type of sections in your planner, but you can also use them. I use it all the time for my horizontal layouts. And that's not all. Well, that is the whole kit, but January also had a matching TN that you could order separately. So this is B6 size, and I set up a complete B6 last month, so I'm not going to set this one up. But what I am going to do, okay, I take that back. I am going to set it up, but I am going to set it up using a mini happy planner, because this is why I love how creative the planner community is on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You get so many ideas. So I've seen this on several people's social media, where you can just stick your mini happy planner right in there, because this is such a perfect match. I guess I've been waiting a year just so I can use it in this planner. I'm super excited to get this going. And you know what I'm even more excited about? The giveaway. The giveaway. The giveaway. I'm super excited about the giveaway. If you haven't been on Instagram, go now. Follow me at Yes Please Planning on Instagram. I will definitely link it below. You can win everything that I showed in this video. The B6TN, all of the stickers, all of the washi, all of the goodies, all the paper, everything except not this one. Super excited. Okay guys, go to my Instagram, follow me, follow all of these 16 beautiful ladies in this picture right here. Each one of them is having the same giveaway, so you can have 16 chances on Instagram to win this entire kit. Okay guys, and that's it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Make sure you come and say hi and enter that giveaway on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye bye.